Petals, so you look like my daughter.
Um, okay, so where do you want to eat?
Let's go eat at that restaurant nearby.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Why is there a car there blocking our way?
I don't know.
Huh. You really look like my daughter.
I'll order our pizza.
You really look like my daughter.
Hi, can I please have a large pizza for my friend, please? Thank you.
You're
Okay, I got the pizza.
You're,
Here you go.
I have to tell you something. You look like my daughter, and your name rhymes with my daughter. Her name is Pastel. Your one is Petal.
Well, I got the food here. You can eat now.
Okay, but But are you my daughter?
No, I'm sorry.
But you look like my daughter.
Well, even if I look like your daughter, I'm sorry, I'm not really your daughter.
Oh. Oh, okay. Well, do you want to go now, or you want to go later?
Yeah, let's go. Are you done?
Yes. Let's go.
Oh, hey, wait, Amber.
Yeah?
My mom died. Wait, Amber, come with me.
Okay.
My mom died, so would you like to be my mom?
Okay.
Yay! Thank you very much. Let's go to my house.
Okay. Let's run. Run. But I don't know where your house is.
Oh, just come with me. Oh, come with me. Come with me, please.
Is this your house? This used to be my old house.
Well, this is my house. I heard that one of my ancestors actually died because of swimming here.
Oh.
Let's go in.
Okay. The food for us.
Okay.
You want pizza?
Yeah, sure. I'll be in my bed.
Okay.
I'll be in bed. I'll be in bed, okay?
Okay.
Hello, Scoopy. Hello, Scoopy.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
Here is your pizza.
Thank you very much.
Let's go. Let's go upstairs. Oh, it's nighttime. We better get sleeping. Let's change.
Okay.
Let's sleep, daughter.
Okay. You just call me Petal. You don't need to call me
Let's
daughter.
sleep, Petal.
Yeah. Nice, Brookie. I want to go outside. Just get my coat and wear some. Yeah. This is so sad. I don't know why I'm very sad, but who knows? Maybe it's just that I'm feeling really bad or something.
What's that noise? Let me see what's that. Why are you out here, Petal? Why are you crying?
My sister died.
Where did she die?
Today.
Oh my gosh, I feel so bad for you. Do you want to go somewhere like the park?
Yeah. Let's go.
I'm just gonna go change, okay?
Okay.
Let's go. So where do you want to go? Do you want to go somewhere?
I just want to go walk on the beach.
Okay. Let's walk on the beach. So, how did your sister? So how did your sister die?
She died from cancer.
Oh no, I feel bad for you. Here, I want to show you something.
Okay.
When me and my daughter, we always go boating.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And every time we do that, she's always so happy. We always walk to the beach.
And I remember. Did you guys swim out here?
No, we swim in there.
Oh, okay.
Here, every time when she goes to the restaurant, she eats pizza like yum 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 crazily.
Wow. You must have a really cute daughter.
She looks like you.
I'm very flattered that I look like a really cute daughter.
Yeah.